Hi, my name is Jacklyn, Dougherty, and today we're going to do your first 23 steps in a ballet class, okay? So your first step is going to be your first position. Your second step is going to be your demi-plie. Your third step, you're going to straighten your knees. For your fourth step, you're going to tendu. For your fifth step, you're going to lower it down to second position. Sixth is your plie. Seventh is your straighten your knees. And then for your eighth, you're going to do a rond de jambe. For your ninth, you're going to lower your heel. You're going to do a cross fourth position for your first time, okay? After that, for your 10th, you're going to do your plie. Then you're going to straighten your knees for your 11th. Then you're going to do your tendu. You're going to open your fourth position, and you're going to lower your heel down. Then you're going to do a plie. Then you're going to straighten your knees. Then you're going to tendu. You're going to close into your fifth. Then you're going to do a plie. And then you're going to straighten your knees, and then you're going to finish at the bar. Much love. That is your first 23 steps in a ballet class, and that, if you kind of got the hint, it's your plie combination that you usually do every single time you walk into a ballet class. Please subscribe for more ballet class combinations, and I hope to see you.